I have a little Chinese mini mill in my workshop, and I bought 4 flute end mills for it. And I read that if I want to mill aluminium, I have to use these 2 flute ones. The reason is very simple. If you have a 4 flute end mill, these flutes are very narrow to each other, and the chip from the aluminium can stuck in the groove. But if you have just a 2 flute, it's like a drill bit, regular drill bit, and we have a lot of place for the chips. I don't say that is a really high quality material where these end mills are made, but I think for aluminium it's usable. If you are milling aluminium, you don't need a very tough, a very hard material. I think this set is very useful because it has different sizes and it's very cheap. I don't try to mill aluminum with them, but if I will have time, I will put videos on my YouTube channel.